Does your ADU need a whole new electrical panel or just a sub-panel? Picking the wrong one means either overpaying for capacity you don't need or underbuilding and hitting a wall at Rough Electrical. A full 100 amp to 200 amp panel upgrade in LA runs $2,500 to $6,500 installed, plus $200 to $800 in city permit fees. A dedicated sub-panel is a smaller job. It adds circuit capacity for the ADU without touching your main service at all. Here's the honest catch. There's no fixed sub-panel price, to quote you, because it depends on your existing panel's spare capacity and how far the run is to your ADU. What is fixed is the risk. If your main service needs any upgrade at all, LADWP's coordination can add 2 to 4 weeks to your timeline either way. Before you assume which upgrade you need, see if your property qualifies. Free. 1-800-ADU-PROS matches you with vetted, licensed California ADU builders.